Let's see what tools are needed for calligraphy. The necessary calligraphy tools include the following: writing brush, inkstone, calligraphy ink, underlay, calligraphy paper, example, paperweight. That's all. The calligraphy set is contained in a case that is convenient for storage, and it is recommended because it can be cleaned up more neatly. Calligraphy sets are sold at nearby stationery stores and online. Let's open the calligraphy set. Underlay, calligraphy paper, inkstone, paperweight, calligraphy ink, writing brush, You can clean up your calligraphy tools. If you want to continue your calligraphy, it's best to go to a calligraphy supply store if possible. In a specialty store, you can know what you need according to your budget. It is a good idea to check your budget on the internet. There are various kinds of textbooks from beginners to advanced users in the calligraphy supplies specialty store. Before you go to a calligraphy specialty store, you should make a phone call to see if you can buy beginner textbooks at the specialty store. Then you should go to a specialty store. If there is a store specializing in calligraphy supplies nearby, I recommend you go there once. It's fun just looking at calligraphy tools and materials. If you are planning to go to a calligraphy school, it is a good idea to prepare a calligraphy tool after listening to the teacher.